What does next-generation capability and performance look like? Like the all-new 2022 Toyota Tundra. Designed and assembled in the US, like it has been since its 1999 debut, Tundra's all-new third generation is making a full-size splash. It takes everything Toyota's learned over its 70-plus years of truck heritage and wraps it up into one incredible package. And its new 7-grade lineup has just set the bar, and set it high. Whether it's the power and utility of the SR or SR5, the added technology and convenience of the Limited, Platinum, or 1794, the enhanced capability of the TRD Pro, or an all-out luxury experience offered through the flagship Capstone grade. There is a Tundra option for every driver and their needs. Let's take a closer look at what makes this next-generation Tundra so special. With looks like this, it's no surprise what the first question usually is. What's under the hood? Well, when it comes to its two new powertrains, this new Tundra delivers. Compared to the previous generation, the power output and efficiency of Tundra's iForce engine has gone up. Way up. This is thanks to its advanced twin-turbo design, which allows it to provide tons of low-end torque when it's needed, or simply act like an efficient V6 when it's not. But if that's somehow not enough, say hello to the iForce Max. This hybrid engine is an absolute game changer. With its new single-motor design, iForce Max provides a performance-minded approach to hybrid tech that has even more power. So, what kind of transmission can put this type of power to the ground? An all-new 10-speed automatic that's designed to handle whatever the day brings, whether that's off-roading, towing, or running errands. With its 10 gear ratios, this transmission makes it easy to find the sweet spot between performance and efficiency. Gear hunting is a thing of the past. And it also has the power to pull, with an incredible maximum tow rating of 12,000 pounds with available towing features. Tundra's amazing performance is also seen in its tough frame, which uses a fully boxed design and laser-welded thicknessing to offer maximum capability and rigidity without excessive weight. And in its upper body, which is loaded with lightweight, rust-resistant materials to ensure this pickup is ready for the long haul. Case in point, the truck bed itself, which boasts an incredibly durable, aluminum-reinforced composite construction. And if there's a need for even more utility, Tundra's available swing-out storage boxes provide a convenient way to take full advantage of all the available cargo. When extra toughness for heavy hauling is required, Tundra's optional bed mat is available, and it's designed to withstand extended abuse without fear of fading, rusting, cracking, or breaking. And that's not the only thing that's tough. We can't forget about the suspension. This is one of the clearest examples of Tundra's rebirth as a next-generation truck. Its rear suspension is now a multi-link layout with coil springs. This setup provides incredible road manners and towing stability, and also helps allow for the use of the more advanced suspension systems available. These include an adaptive variable system that continuously adjusts damping to optimize ride comfort and stability on a variety of road surfaces, as well as an air suspension feature that offers different height settings that can be adjusted manually, or it can be left to work automatically, continually reacting to towing and hauling needs to maximize confidence during heavy-duty situations. Which brings us to Tundra's next great party trick, its ability to make towing feel like a walk in the park. And we're not just referring to the powertrain or its tow-haul drive mode. The available trailer garage system can actually measure and save your trailer specs to open up some mind-blowing available features. Need an example? Here's a good one. It'll help provide steering input as you're backing up with your trailer. Anyone who's ever had to do this before knows how challenging it can be to keep things pointed where you want them. Features like this make it clear this is one seriously premium towing machine. Now, Tundra may be full-size, but it also knows how to play in the sand just fine. And that's not limited to TRD Pro, a proper off-road monster with its lifted ride height and special Fox shocks. In fact, the entire Tundra line is designed to deliver when the going gets rough, with all grades being offered with available part-time four-wheel drive. But of course, there's also a range of great advanced off-road features specific to TRD Pro and models equipped with the TRD Off-Road package. For instance, Multi-Terrain Monitor takes an adventurous approach to Tundra's panoramic view monitor system, providing additional angles to help see underneath, as well as important data like vehicle angle. Several top Toyota features are now offered on Tundra for the first time, including Multi-Terrain Select, which allows drivers to fine-tune the traction systems based on a range of terrain settings like sand and snow, as well as Crawl Control, which can automatically modulate the throttle and brakes on 5 low-speed settings, allowing drivers to focus on steering. Tundra also offers an available electronically locking rear differential, which can distribute power evenly to both rear wheels to help ensure drivers don't get stuck in the mud. And when you want to elevate your Tundra experience even further, the optional 3-inch lift kit provides a considerable boost in ground clearance for tackling terrain. And it helps add an even more aggressive visual stance to this totally capable truck. All told, it's clear Tundra's capability doesn't end when the road does. With performance like Tundra's, you'd expect to see some pretty serious design to match. And that's exactly what we have. But that's not to say it's all about looking tough. In fact, each of Tundra's grades sport a distinct look. Like Capstone's 22-inch dark chrome and machine-finished alloy wheels, which provide a striking counterpoint to its vibrant range of vehicle color options, including supersonic red and wind chill pearl. And the technical camo accents on TRD Pro help add an increased visual edge to Tundra's next-gen look. Naturally, this exterior is packed with great standard features throughout the lineup, like full LED lighting, as well as great available features like power running boards and bed step. And if you really want to step it up even further, the available TRD cast aluminum running boards blend tough utility with sleek style that's all Tundra. And this premium mentality carries over into the interior as well. This comfortable cabin is easy to get in and out of, and it offers tons of space for driver and passengers. But it's also tough and durable enough to handle day after day of hard work. Still, there's plenty of useful high-end touches, like the full power back window on CrewMax or the power sliding rear window on double cabs. It should come as no surprise at this point, but Tundra comes out swinging when it comes to in-cabin tech and driver assistance features. The centerpiece here is arguably the massive available touchscreen sitting front and center. At 14 inches, this display feels like having a television in your truck, and it's used not just for Tundra's panoramic view monitor or its new bed camera view, but also Toyota's beautiful new audio multimedia system. This new platform features a ton of great new tech, like support for multiple user profiles, and wireless compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to Apple Music, Maps, Messages, and other favorite apps from the iPhone. The same applies to Android Auto, with wireless connectivity making it simple to stay connected to Android devices. While a standard 3-month SiriusXM Platinum Plan trial subscription includes over 165 channels available in cabin, and even more on the SXM mobile app, making it easier than ever to enjoy not just ad-free music, but also sports, comedy, and more. And this can all be paired with a premium JBL audio system to make the most of these great services. Moving beyond multimedia, select Tundra grades, such as the top-of-the-line Capstone grade, also offer a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument panel that makes key driving information look better than ever. Tundra's tech story isn't just about screens and entertainment, of course. There's tons of available comfort and convenience too, like standard automatic climate control and power seats with heating, ventilation, and memory functionality. And when it comes to standard safety, Tundra now features Toyota Safety Sense 2.5, an incredibly advanced suite of active safety systems that include pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, and road sign assist. Tundra also offers available blind spot monitor with rear cross-traffic braking to help keep an eye on those tough-to-see spots. And as icing on the cake, both Toyota Safety Sense and blind spot monitor systems are designed to recognize when a trailer is attached and adjust their operation accordingly. So that's a brief look around the all-new third-generation Tundra. It offers up a massive increase in power while still providing better fuel economy rating estimates. It's just as capable towing a boat as it is climbing a mountainside. And it's got killer looks that say this all without saying a word. And inside, it's loaded with comfort and convenience, advanced tech and safety, and it does this while staying true to Toyota's legendary long-term value proposition and unbeatable reputation for quality, durability, and reliability. Now top it off with ownership perks like the Toyota Care maintenance plan with roadside assistance, and it becomes clear why Tundra is set to be the do-anything companion for a whole new generation.